While CNN News 18 spoke to CPIM MP and legal counsel for the victim's family, Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya, about the post-mortem report of the victim. This is what he had to say. Let's listen in.
Why that became a big issue and a part of the campaign is that if it was considered to be a 150-gram semen, then it was actually giving rise to this speculation that was it a gang rape and not a single person involved. That's why this clarity becomes important. Yes, sir.
You see, the issue does not relate to the quantum of semen found by the post-mortem surgeon. Therefore, who are trying to get it confused with the quantum of semen, they are doing it deliberately. Our allegation is that she was assaulted by number of persons, not only one individual. That's the only thing. The forensic expert also said nature of injury which has inflicted on her could not be the action of one individual.
So, Mr. Sir, you must have been privy to the post-mortem report, being the counsel. Can you make it clear to us, if it's possible, about what is it that the post-mortem report is actually talking about? Possibility of a gang rape?
This is at this stage of investigation. Being an appearing counsel, I should not make any comment on this. Therefore, I am not making any comment on that.
So, one more last question to you, sir. This has unfortunately also become a huge political issue, where the Trinamool Congress is saying that it's a BJP plus the left is actually the one which is stoking a controversy, which is actually meddling with the investigation. And that vandalism at the R.K. Kaur Hospital is also an issue which should not be overlooked. Your thoughts on both these two?
This was a clear game plan of TMC. You see, the Chief Minister at 4 p.m., around 4 p.m., addressed a meeting on that very day. They said that you have had your agitation for the last 3-4 days. Now it's my turn. I shall be on the field. I will show you my strength. And during the midnight, the vandalism happened at the R.K. Kaur Hospital. And these people were gathered by TMC people. That would be apparent from the primary evidence which is being collected. The persons who have been identified, they all are under the control of TMC. Therefore, there is no doubt about it. This is the game plan of TMC. They wanted to destroy the evidence. That was the attempt, but they failed.
But Mr. Bhattacharya, vandalization, that has also now become a big issue. And many people from your party also have been picked up for investigation.
I don't mind. If they ask our party people to go, they will face the investigation. They don't fear of it. They are not scared of it. But these are again an attempt by the Calcutta police that will prove their inability to do an investigation in proper manner. You don't have to go for heavy research work to find out that this vandalism was created by TMC.
Well, unfortunately, the battle lines have already been drawn as politics over the R.K. Kaur horror continues to intensify. Now, TMC continues to blame the CPIM and the BJP for the vandalization of the hospital and has alleged conspiracy to defame Bengal. Now, TMC will hold protest at around 10 a.m. today against what it alleges is the Ram-Bam conspiracy against the Mamata government. Now, also likely to submit report to Union Home Ministry on law and order situation in the state today.
बहुत ही बर्बरता है ये, बहुत ही इसका घोर खंडन करते हैं। इसका पूरा का पूरा जांच हो और यहाँ पर न्याय मिलनी चाहिए उन लोगों को जिनके ऊपर ये अत्याचार हुए हैं, और ख़ास तौर पर कौन है ये अपराधी, उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए।
ममता बनर्जी जी खुद महिला हैं और एक महिला का दुख दर्द वो समझती हैं। उन्होंने कार्रवाई की है और जो उनकी डिमांड्स थी सीबीआई या अन्य संस्था से जांच कराने का, वो भी फैसला सरकार ने लिया है। लेकिन इसके साथ साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों को राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए। और अगर बंगाल के बारे में इतनी चिंता है, स्वाभाविक है, जो घटना हुई है उस हिसाब से जो लोग डॉक्टर्स हैं सब लोग स्ट्राइक पे गए हैं। लेकिन बीजेपी को घटनाओं से राजनीतिक लाभ नहीं लेना चाहिए। किसी भी घटना से राजनीतिक लाभ नहीं लेना चाहिए बीजेपी को।
ममता बनर्जी 3-4 दिन चुप थी। डॉक्टर का पालक, उसका पोषक, उसका माँ कोर्ट गई। कोर्ट के कारण से, कोर्ट के इंटरफियरेंस से अभी सीबीआई की इंक्वायरी हो रही है। ममता बनर्जी नहीं दी। इसका ये पूरा घटना का पीछे ऐसा लोगों को रक्षा करने वाली ममता बनर्जी नहीं रहना चाहिए वो सीट में, तुरंत वो इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, तब ये केस को जस्टिस मिलेगा, नहीं तो न्याय नहीं मिलेगा। इसके कारण हम मांग कर रखते हैं, हम सब महिला मिलके मांग रखते हैं, ममता बनर्जी इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, यानी ये केस को जस्टिस मिलना चाहिए।